Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm gonna guide you through a simple and a quick process on how to add to watch list on Disney+. If you want to add a movie or TV show to your watch list so that you can watch it later on Disney+, then the process is quite easy. First of all, open a web browser and also make sure that you are logged into your Disney+ account. After you are inside, logged into the account, go ahead and look for a TV show or the movie and click on it. This will now take you to the info page of the particular TV show or the movie. Click on the plus button right under the movie information, and doing this will be able to add the TV show or the movie to your watch list. Now in order to go to your watch list, go to the very top and click watch list, and on the list you will be able to see the movie or TV show that you've just added. So that is how you can easily add a movie or TV show on your watch list on Disney+. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.